We have retired early and just arrived in Merida, Mexico for an extended stay as part of our slow travel lifestyle. In the last video, we took you into our Airbnb and showed you around the place. Since then, we have become captivated by the colonial architecture of the home and many of the buildings in Merida, so much so that we need to see more. In Merida, more and more people have moved into colonial homes and refurbished them, just like the one we are staying in. They are restoring period details and capitalizing on the grand proportions, the high ceilings, and quiet inner courtyards. So we are going to tour 3 other restored colonial houses in Merida, Mexico. Come along with us.
We're leaving now to go to a house tour of Merida and a small lecture on the front end sponsored by the Merida English Library. We went over there and they've got a lot of neat resources as well as books and other activities that they organize for folks like us. So excited about the day.
The tour began with an informative architectural history lesson, which clearly explained how various styles developed in the area and how common materials came into use. The tour themselves are great because you not only get to see the inside of some amazing houses, but you also get to meet the owners and wander around inside on your own. You can spend time looking at and asking about whatever aspect of the house interests you the most. All of the owners we met were passionate about their homes and the work that they had put into creating them. House 1 wasn't a true restoration. While a small part of the exterior structure may have been restored to its original appearance, the inside was a completely new and modern construction to meet the owner's taste and needs. The lower level was a private oasis bounded by a kitchen, living area, and main bedroom. The upper level had additional bedrooms and offices for the long-term owner and his new husband. There was a roof terrace, but the owners talked about how it goes unused in the brutal heat, which lasts nearly year-round. Just as with House 1, the exterior of House 2 also provided few clues about what lied beyond its front doors. It could best be described as a mansion that you might only find in Las Vegas, a huge open inner courtyard with a massive pool and jacuzzi. The enormous kitchen and living area was seamlessly integrated with the pool area for true indoor-outdoor living. Upstairs were the bedrooms and some beautiful views of the pool area below. The facade of House 3 again was pretty basic and did not provide much of a hint of what was inside. To add to this surprise, some very beautiful houses are adjacent to poorly maintained or even vacant properties. Everyone lives together with less separation based upon socioeconomic status, at least in this part of Merida. This owner told us about the challenges of remodeling, maintaining, and decorating a historic structure in Mexico. It's not easy and takes real commitment and ingenuity. Each of the homes had a pool. Merida is known for its heat, and if you visit, we suggest that you go between November and March. It was a fascinating tour of the homes of Merida. We will explore more colonial architecture in a future video, but in the next video, we introduce you more to the city itself. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video to see what's next on our adventures, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to see what else is coming. Finally, check out our merchandise store, where you can create fully personalized t-shirts, greeting cards, mugs, and more, all of which help support the growth of our channel. See you in the next video.